Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to draw all factor trees for number 30. For drawing the factor tree of any number, we divide that number into its factors. Factors are numbers which divide the number fully without leaving a remainder. So first we'll write all the factors of 30. Factors of 30 are 2. 2 times 15 is 30. So 15 is also a factor of 30. 3 times 10 is 30. 10 is also one of the factors of 30. And then next prime number is 5. 5 times 6 is 30. So 6 is also a factor of 30. So the factors of 30 are 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15. Now for making factor tree, we are going to write number 30 and we'll break it down into two factors. So let's take two factors as 2 times 15 is 30. 2 and 15 are factors of 30. In the factor tree, we circle the prime number because prime numbers are not going to be further divided. Now 15 can be divided into its prime factors as 3 times 5 is 15. And now we see that both the numbers 3 and 5 are prime numbers, so we are going to circle both the numbers. So the prime factors of 30 will be 2 times 3 times 5. These are the prime factors of 30. Now let's try to make all the factor trees for 30. So again we are going to write number 30 and we'll divide it into two factors which are not 2 and 15. We'll take two other factors. So let's take 3 and 10. 3 times 10 is 30. Here 3 is a prime number, so we are going to circle 3. And 10 can be further divided into two factors, which is 2 times 5. And we know that 2 and 5 both are prime numbers, so we are going to circle both the prime numbers. So the factors of 30 from this factor tree will also be the same, which is 2 times 3 times 5. Let's draw one more factor tree for 30, and this time we are going to take the factors 5 and 6. So 5 times 6 is 30, and as 5 is a prime number, we are going to circle 5. And 6 can be further divided into two factors, which is 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 and 3 both are prime numbers, so we are going to circle those numbers. And from this tree too, we are going to get the same factors, which is 2 times 3 times 5. So the prime factors of 30 are 2 times 3 times 5. So this is how we can draw factor tree for any number. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.